Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nadeem Khan, a bioinformatician and a founder of Omics Nexus. Recently, Omics Nexus announces a series of bioinformatics-based training workshops, and here in this video, I will be guiding you through the contents that will be covered in these workshops and the type of skill sets that you will be learning in these workshops. So moving forward, that what is basically Omics Nexus? So Omics Nexus is a bioinformatics based startup that has a prime objective in making bioinformatics accessible to everyone. We deal with bioinformatics analysis, including NGS data analysis, multi-omics, and AI-based biomarker discovery, and a lot of other stuff. And the most important thing is that we train students to learn bioinformatics and integrate bioinformatics into their research. Now, talking about my team, so I have Hasib Manzoor, Munib Nasser, and Hazan Maaz, who are professional bioinformaticians and have a broad range of expertise in this domain. Recently, we have concluded some events that include 2 weeks crash course of metagenomics analysis using Linux and R programming. Second was the webinar about bioinformatics starter kit, where we train students at what is bioinformatics and how it can be integrated into their research. And the third one was AI and bioinformatics, that how artificial intelligence can be integrated into bioinformatics and how these two fields are contributing in solving biological problems. We got a lot of appreciation from our audience, and just because of it, we have launched these training workshops. So now I will talk about these workshops. So basically, the first workshop is a 2 days hands-on workshop that is entitled as Transcriptomics-Driven Biomarker Discovery across cancer stages, from data to diagnosis. So basically, in this workshop, we will be dealing with multi-stages of cancer, and we'll be identifying biomarkers that are included, that are contributing in the progression of and the developmental of cancer. So the learning outcomes will be the understanding different techniques of gene expression profiling, getting familiar to different experimental design, understanding biomarker discovery using multi-stage transcriptomics, identify stage-wise differential expressed genes, and after performing different downstream analysis using R programming, we will be able to identify a biomarker that will be responsible for the development of cancer. So now let's go to the workflow. So this is the typical workflow of our this workshop. Now I will explain the different contents that we will be covering in this workshop. So in the day one, we'll be dealing with what is transcriptomics and understanding different techniques of gene expression profiling. After that, we'll be dealing with databases that, for example, if we found a case of multi-stage cancer and we want to work on it, so how we can get through the data, how can we retrieve the data, how can we search through different biological databases. So it includes expression atlas, gene expression omnibus, and array express. After that, we will be retrieving the data and we will be understanding the structures of the data, because we know that transcriptomic data have a lot of structures. It have different file formats, so we'll be understanding the file formats. Then we'll be starting with the R programming, and in using R programming, we will be updating data, and also we'll be normalizing the expression data. After that, in day one, we'll be performing annotation. We know that genes need annotation, and mostly in the transcriptomic data, it consists of probes and different ensemble IDs. So it should be converted into gene symbols and IDs. So after that, getting the expression matrix, we will be converting and annotating the probes into gene symbols, and then through different statistical analysis, we will be identifying our differential expressed genes. And these steps will be performed 4 times, because we will be dealing with 4 stages of cancer. After that, understanding statistical concept, because when we get differential expressed genes, so there are a lot of statistical concepts that you should know, that how to identify your gene expression or differential expressed genes. So after that, we'll be getting our refined differential expressed gene, and this all will be covered through R programming. So the concepts of R programming and the code in the script will be explained parallelly. Now, in the day two, we'll be dealing with some downstream analysis that will be including gene set enrichment analysis. It's also known as pathway analysis. And after that, we will be generating some plots, and we will try to impart the concepts of these analysis, and will help you to understand the gene set enrichment analysis results. After that, trajectory analysis, as you know that we are dealing with stages of cancer, and it's a unique type of strategy. So it needs trajectory analysis. So what is trajectory analysis and how to perform it? We will be showing you practically through hands-on training using R programming. Then after that, some other downstream analysis like mapping genes with pathway results and protein-protein interaction. It will be taught to you people just to identify the biomarker. After that, some other downstream analysis like GPR2 analysis, survival analysis, and at the last, the marker discovery. So simply, a lot of R programming will be included, and you will be dealing with R programming from the day first. You will be dealing with the stages of cancer and identifying your differential express genes and performing a lot of downstream analysis using R programming to identify your biomarker that is involved in the progression of cancer. Okay, so I have seen a lot of studies that a lot of workshops that were those workshops were dealing with a single cancer type, but here the thing is a little bit unique. We are dealing with stages of cancer. Okay, so it will help you in your research, and you can get some novel biomarkers that can help you in identifying the progression of cancer. Okay, so this was all about the workshop number one. Now after that, in workshop two, we are having 2 days hands-on workshop on R for biologists. Okay, so basically it's a type of a linking to the first workshop. In the first workshop, we are dealing with complete data analysis. Okay, because it consists of a lot of data analysis. So in this second workshop, we will be dealing with the visualizations. Okay, because visualization is very much important, and in those 2 days workshop, the visualization cannot be covered because we will be dealing with some more complex concepts related to stages of cancer. So here in this second workshop, although you will be having a familiarity with the R programming, but here the R programming will be taught in deeper way. Okay, so we will be giving you the overview of R programming, the understanding of packages, and the visualization that is very much crucial for research point of view. So in the first day, we will be dealing with R in R Studio, understanding installation and R packages, data types and structures, and after that, starting with data analysis. Okay, although you have performed the data analysis in the previous workshop, but here it would be a little bit different. That was specific to gene expression profiling, but here we will be showing you different types of data. Okay, and the structure of script, understanding different types and manipulation techniques, and most importantly, correlation analysis. That is very much important. Okay, then in the day two, we will be dealing with the visualizations. Okay, visualization consists of principal component analysis and it's plotting it, and after that, heat maps. That is very much important in bioinformatics analysis. Box plots, how to construct box plot, and okay, next, how to construct bar plots using gene expression data or some other type of data. Area graphs is very much important to deal with stages of cancer, and a time series data, and in the last, volcano plots. Okay, so basically this will help you to visualize your data, and how to visualize it, how to understand your data, and what type of data and how it is arranged behind the plots. Okay, so this is very much important. Until unless you are familiar with the structure of the data, you can plot it. Okay, so here complete visualization training will be given to you people. So this is very much important. It is completely linking to the first workshop, because in the first workshop we will be dealing with the complete data analysis, and here we will be dealing with the visualization. Okay, so this is basically the second workshop. Now the third workshop is very much interesting, and it is also a 2 days hands-on workshop. It is related to machine learning for transcriptomics, a comprehensive training for cancer type classification. Okay, now it is also linking to the first two workshops, because when we get known to the transcriptomic data, so here using that transcriptomic data, how we can build AI models and machine learning models. Okay, so here we will be dealing with brain cancer types, the different tumor types of brain, and after that we will be retrieving the transcriptomic data. So here in the first and second workshop, you will be familiar with the transcriptomic data. So here we will be more focused on the ML models. Okay, so the first day, what we will do is, so basically this is the workflow. We'll be having our gene expression data, and we'll be using Python and Google Colab to extract the features, and after that you build classification models, and also we'll be showing you the accuracy, the F1's called evaluation matrices. So basically, in the day one, we will start with the introduction to machine learning and the role of machine learning in bioinformatics. Then we will proceed with getting known to some basic machine learnings. Okay, that what are models, what is data pre-processing, how to prepare your data for ML models, what are supervised and unsupervised machine learning models. So we'll be covering these concepts with examples and with practice. After that, in the same day, we will be covering with feature selection methods. That, for example, we are having a series of features. Our basically it will be genes and their expression. So how we can extract important features that can train a machine learning model. What are ML models? ML model like linear regression, artificial neural network, a lot of other models will be discussed. And what are basically evaluation matrices? That, for example, if you build a model, then how you can tell that yes, my model is better enough to classify a tumor type or not. Okay, so we will be dealing with this part. Now, then in the day two, we'll be completely dealing with the practical stuff. We will be retrieving the data, the tumor data from databases, and after that, we will be setting our Google Colab and Python, and we'll be training our models. Okay, so in the previous day, you will be having total concepts of the machine learning models, how to train it. So here in the day two, then you will be training your models. Okay, you will be pre-processing your data. You will be extracting the feature selection methods, and after that, you will be applying those methods, and you will be training your ML models. And after that, in the last, you will be testing your models. Okay, so this is complete or workflow, that how we will be starting with the transcriptomics and how we will be visualizing our data, and then using that data, how we will be building our machine learning models. Okay, so the workshops dates and timings are very much flexible. The first workshop will be on 3rd and 4th of January, and about each day will be about 6 to 7 hours. Okay, and it will be performed through Microsoft Teams. The second workshop is also the same, timing is the same, but the dates are 17th and 18th of January. And the third workshop is basically on 31st January to 1st February. Okay, timing is the same, and the platform is also Microsoft Teams. Now, the fee structure is very much affordable, and it can be easily managed by the students. Okay, because we do not focused on mostly on the fee structure. We are mostly focus on making bioinformatics accessible to everyone. So it is very much affordable, and we are also having a early bird discount. So try to register yourself in the first place, so that you just get the early bird discount. Okay, now register now, scan the QR code for registration. By scanning this QR code, you will be transferred to a Google form. You can fill the Google form, and you can submit your registration fee, and officially you will get registered to our workshop. And I recommend to register to all the three workshops, because we have arranged those three workshops in a very organized way. Okay, the first workshop is related to transcriptomics. You will get known to the biological data. Okay, and how to find biomarkers from a cancer type. Okay, that is involved in the progression of the cancer. Now, in that workshop, you're not dealing with visualizations. Okay, complete visualization will be done in the second workshop, and most the R programming will be introduced in a very much descriptive way. Now, after that, the third workshop, if you have conducted the first and the second workshop, so then you can easily get into the transcriptomic data, and you can easily start with your ML model, because we will be using that transcriptomic data as a data for training machine learning models. Okay, so in the third workshop, we will be more focused on the ML part, not the transcriptomic part, because we already will be covering the transcriptomic in the first workshop. Okay, so again, I'm telling you, these all workshops are connected to each other, and we recommend that you should apply for all the three workshops. Okay, so limited time slots are available, and most importantly, we focus on quality, not quantity. We have a specific students number of students in our mind, and once we achieve that goal, once we achieve that target, then we will just close the registration, because we need to impart our content in a very better way. So the lesser the students, the more quality will be given. Okay, so try to register. Okay, so basically start 2026 a little bit stronger, smarter, and more confident in your bioinformatics journey. And we hope to see you all soon. And because our prime objective is to make bioinformatics accessible to everyone. Okay, so we have managed to gather these skill set so that you could be a little bit independent, and at least you could become a good researcher and apply and integrate bioinformatics into your profiles and into your research. Okay, because these three workshops are not just random workshops. Okay, it can help you in the to complete your entire research also. Okay, so try to attend these workshops. Okay, so thank you very much and see you in the workshops. Okay, and if you have any question, just let us know. We have provided all the links. We have provided our WhatsApp number and our email ID. Just give us a call that yes, I'm confused and I want to clarify these things. So our social media resource person will directly contact with you people, and will clarify your queries. Okay, so thank you very much and God bless you. See you in the workshop.